Today, I'll show you how to purge the Cloudflare cache using the Cloudflare dashboard. This is really useful when you've updated files on your site, like images, styles, or pages, but visitors are still seeing an old version because it's being served from Cloudflare's cache. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly which purge method to use and how to apply it safely. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to work with. Once you're on that domain's overview page, look for the menu on the left-hand side. There, navigate to the section labeled Caching and then choose Configuration. On this page, you'll find different cache-related settings, but what we care about right now is the option called Custom Purge. Go ahead and click that. When you open Custom Purge, you'll see a drop-down labeled Purge By. This is where you decide how specifically you want to clear the cache. Choosing the right method matters because purging too much can temporarily slow down your site for users while Cloudflare rebuilds its cache, and purging too little might not fix the issue you're trying to solve. The first option you can select is URL. Use this when you know the exact file that needs to be refreshed. For example, if you updated your logo, you might enter something like https:/site.com logo.png. Make sure you include the full exact URL, including HTTPS and the correct path. Even small differences like missing a trailing slash or using the wrong file extension can mean Cloudflare tries to purge a file that doesn't exist, and your old content will still show. Once you've entered one or more URLs, you're ready to purge just those specific items. Another option you'll see in the dropdown is prefix. This lets you clear an entire folder or path on your site. For instance, if all your images live under site.com assets and you've just deployed a big update there, you can enter that path as a prefix. Cloudflare will remove everything that starts with that prefix from its cache. This is more powerful than purging a single URL, so use it when you've changed many files in one directory and you want them all refreshed at once. You can also choose hostname. This is ideal if you want to clear cache for a specific subdomain, like a development or staging site. For example, you might enter something like dev.site.com to purge all cached content for that subdomain without touching the main site. This is especially handy when you're testing changes on a non-production environment and need to make sure you're seeing the latest version. Finally, there's the tag option. This is a more advanced method used when your site sends cache tag headers. With this in place, you can assign tags to groups of related files, like a whole section of your site or a specific feature. In the tag field, enter the cache tag you want to clear, and Cloudflare will instantly purge every file associated with that tag. This gives you very targeted control, especially in larger or more complex applications. Once you've selected your preferred purge method and entered the correct values, simply click the Purge button. Cloudflare will process your request and begin clearing the cache according to your selection. After that, refresh your site or the specific resource you changed to confirm you're now seeing the updated version. And that's it. You've just learned how to purge the Cloudflare cache from the dashboard using Custom Purge and how to choose the method that best fits your situation.